7 beaches in Skiathos, a paradise of sun, sand, and serenity. Welcome to Skiathos, a hidden gem in the Aegean Sea known for its breathtaking natural beauty, crystal clear waters, and pristine beaches. In this video, we'll take you on a virtual journey to explore the top 7 beaches in Skiathos. Get ready for an unforgettable beach experience. Let's dive in. One, Megali Ammos Beach. Our first stop is Megali Ammos Beach, a true paradise for sunseekers. With its golden sand and turquoise waters, this beach offers a perfect spot to relax and soak up the Mediterranean sun. Don't miss the opportunity to indulge in refreshing cocktails at the beachside bars while enjoying the stunning views. 2. Troulos Beach, a hidden treasure nestled amidst lush greenery. This picturesque beach is famous for its calm waters, making it ideal for families and water sports enthusiasts. Take a leisurely stroll along the sandy shore or explore the vibrant marine life through snorkeling. 3. Kolios Beach. Moving on, we arrive at Kolios Beach, a true haven for nature lovers. Surrounded by pine trees and olive groves, this secluded beach offers a tranquil escape from the bustling world. Immerse yourself in the serenity of nature while sunbathing on the soft sands or taking a refreshing swim in the crystal clear waters. 4. Achladies Beach. A beach that captivates us with its charm and beauty. Here you'll find a perfect blend of relaxation and entertainment. Unwind on the sunbeds, indulge in delicious Greek cuisine at the waterfront tavernas, or engage in exhilarating water sports adventures. 5. Koukounaries Beach. Prepare to be enchanted by Koukounaries Beach, often referred to as the Golden Sand Beach. This pristine stretch of coastline is renowned for its fine golden sand and crystal clear emerald waters. As you bask in the sun, you'll witness the harmony between the lush pine forest and the shimmering sea. 6. Maratha Beach. A hidden gem away from the tourist crowds. With its unspoiled beauty and tranquil atmosphere, Maratha Beach is a true paradise for nature enthusiasts. Explore the rocky coves, go for a peaceful walk along the shore, or simply revel in the untouched beauty surrounding you. 7. Agia Paraskevi Beach. Last but certainly not least, we invite you to Agia Paraskevi Beach, a beach that will steal your heart with its captivating charm. With its azure waters and soft sand, this beach offers a haven of relaxation and rejuvenation. Treat yourself to a beachfront massage or savor delectable Greek delicacies at the seaside tavernas. Discover Skiathos, where breathtaking beaches meet unparalleled beauty. Pack your bags, embark on an unforgettable journey, and make memories that will last a lifetime. Visit Skiathos, the ultimate beach lover's paradise.